My name is Fausto Pesmino. I'm from Ecuador. My father was from Italy. My mother from Ecuador. Was. My father was actually a chauffeur. When he passed away in South America, my mother came over here. She brought me along with my brother, and then I became a chef. I started making pizzas in 1972 at a little pizzeria in Manhattan, at First Avenue on 52nd Street. I've been making pizzas, and then I went to culinary school in 1983. I made a commercial for Ray's Pizza on 76th Street and 3rd Avenue, and then I made a commercial for Pizza Hut nationwide and the TV channels, 1991, when I was working at the Full Moon Pizzeria in Little Italy in the Bronx. In 2005, I opened up my own pizza shop right near the forum section. I became overwhelmed, man, by the orders that was very successful. And when somebody asked me, "Can you sell it? You want to sell it to us?" I said, "No problem. Here you go. Open the books." I like to be in the window, and when I like to flip it and make the Mexican sombrero and all that. I think I'm a show off. 45 years cooking and making pizzas, baby. And I know, thanks God, I know how to make every kind of dough, every kind of pizza, and every kind of pasta. Everything from the scratch. Chinese, Asian. I'm very happy every time I'm working in a busy place. I get very bored when I work in a slow place. Forget about it. That's when I say I gotta go. It's not for me, you know. But when I work in a booming place, like people that come in and everything, I never get tired.